down somewhere local to me. A couple of you may know it. This is the path, which will give it away to a couple of you who I know. That's as far as I'll show you. If you know, you know. Hey Rambo and Mr. Adam. Just thinking, the last time I was down here, I think it was 2020 in the lockdown. It's the last time I come down this path. It's crazy, time just goes by. Right, where I need to be, the other side of this fence, that weren't there last time. And I thought it'd be easy to get down there. Done it. Now, to try and find somewhere down here where I ain't going to be seen. I can just tuck in a little bit. That'll do me. Come to the end of this path. Bloody hell. I scuppered the old plans a bit. There's a lad over there. Bottling, and he ain't seen me. He was more interested in bottling, or what I used to call bottling, mudlarking. Didn't even see me. Hey, I'll be fighting the Viet Cong next. Anyway, total chance this camp. I don't know whether I'll get to find a spot, but you never know. Don't know whether we'll get a spot, he says. Down here. Oh, hang on, this looks interesting. What's this down here? Ouch. Oh dear. Oh my. Oh wow. This looks a bit good. Could clear that out and camp under there in a bivvy. Oh look, we're right by the water's edge. Oh yeah. Hello, someone's been here before. That would have made for a perfect bivvy spot there. How about that for a view to wake up to in the morning? Crikey, so I ain't been out in ages. sacks with me to clear up, so that bloody lot will have to stay until the next time I come down, and hopefully there won't be no more. It really don't look like someone's been here for a long time, to be honest, so let's hope it stays that way. Ideal spot. Absolutely flipping ideal, eh? Might bring Mr. Burton outdoors down here, or even MDM. He'd like it down here, I'm sure he would. I'm sure he likes fishing. Can't remember. Someone who likes fishing would like it down here. Whether you catch bugger or I don't know. Anyway, well, as you can see, I've left no trace, apart from these herberts. So, I'm getting the pack on, and as the shepherd said to his dog, I'm getting the flock out of here.